Okay, so LedgerX for sale, interest from blockchain.com, Gemini, and others, Bloomberg. LedgerX is for sale? Let's get into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, this is pretty interesting. LedgerX is for sale. Now, LedgerX is for sale with blockchain.com, Gemini, among others, interested in acquiring the firm, okay? The crypto interest here as well. LedgerX is regulated by the US Commodity Future Trading Commission, so that's good, and has been involved in FTX US since October 2021. Now, LedgerX is one of the few entities remaining in the FTX group of companies Bloomberg noted. Now, at least 10 companies have expressed interest in purchasing LedgerX. Now, these include exchanges blockchain.com, Gemini, and among others is interested in purchasing this, okay? About 6 others could have interest in buying the company as well. Bloomberg did write about this as well. Now, Twitter direct messages sent to both LedgerX and the CEO, Zach Dexter, were not returned by the press time. LedgerX is planning to make $175 million available for use in FTX bankruptcy proceedings, and this was reported back on November 29th by Bloomberg. It would come from a $250 million fund LedgerX was planning to use for a CFTC, okay, application aimed at getting regulated approval to clear crypto trades, okay, without intermediates. LedgerX was requesting approval from CFTC to offer products that were not fully collateralized, an agency announcement shows. Okay, so it seems like LedgerX is for sale. There are some exchanges, there's some companies want to acquire them as well. Gemini, blockchain.com. We'll see where this goes. They have been involved in FTX and seem like they want to do some things with that, but LedgerX, I am a fan of the ledger itself, but we'll see where this goes in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching, you know what you're watching, the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.